part of second degree equations. Today I am discussing the fourth question in page number 41. Look at the question. A rod 28 cm long is to be bent to make a rectangle. First part of the question, can a rectangle of diagonal 8 cm be made? I have drawn a rough figure and I have marked diagonal to be equal to 8 cm. We are given perimeter to be equal to 28 cm. From this, what did you understand? Perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus B is equal to 28. Next step, we can write L plus B is equal to 28 divided by 2, which gives you 14. Now we know length plus breadth is equal to 14, but we don't know the length or breadth. So let us consider breadth to be equal to x. If you take breadth to be equal to x, then you get length to be equal to 14 minus x. Let us write the measures in this right angled triangle. Now let us use Pythagoras theorem to find whether we can draw a diagonal of length 8 cm. Now you know in this right angled triangle 8 cm is going to be the hypotenuse. So let us use base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Then you will get 14 minus x the whole square plus x square is equal to 8 square. Let us expand a minus b whole square. We get a square, that is 196 minus 2 into 14 into x, 28x plus x square plus this x square is equal to 64. X square added to x square gives you 2x square. So we can write 2x square minus 28x plus 196 is equal to 64. In the next step, let us take 196 to the other side of the equal to sign. Then we will get 2x square minus 28x is equal to 64 minus 196. That is 2x square minus 28x is equal to 6 minus 4 gives you 2, 9 minus 6, 3, and this one with a negative sign. Now we know all these numbers are divisible by 2. So let us divide the whole equation by 2. You get x square minus 14x is equal to minus 66. If you use the method of completing the square, we have to take half of 14, which is equal to 7. So what we have to do, children? We used to add 7 square to both sides of the equation. When you add 7 square to both sides of the equation, you get x square minus 14x plus 7 square is equal to minus 66 plus 49. We get x minus 7 the whole square is equal to minus 66 plus 49 gives you minus 17. Now when you take square root on both sides, you get x minus 7 is equal to plus or minus root 17. Now we know negative numbers do not have square root. So such a case is not possible. So what we can understand here? We cannot make a rectangle with perimeter 28 and diagonal is equal to 8 cm. Is it clear? Look at the second part of the question. Can a rectangle of diagonal 10 cm be made? We know length is equal to x and breadth is equal to 14 minus x. We are going to check whether 10 cm can be the diagonal of such a rectangle. Again, let us use our Pythagoras theorem to find out whether 10 centimeter is the length. So we get x square plus 14 minus x the whole square is equal to 10 square. That is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now we get x square plus a minus b whole square, which gives you 196 minus 28x plus x square is equal to 100. Next step, x square added to x square gives you 2x square minus 28x plus 196 is equal to 100. As we did before, let us take 196 to the other side. So we get 2x square minus 28x is equal to 100 minus 196, or otherwise 2x square minus 28x is equal to minus 96. Now we know all these numbers are divisible by 2. So let us divide the whole equation by 2. We get x square minus 14x is equal to minus 48. Adding 14 by 2, 7 square to both sides, we get x square minus 14x plus 7 square is equal to minus 48 plus 7 square, which gives you x minus 7 the whole square is equal to minus 48 plus 49, which is equal to 1. Now taking root on both sides, we get x minus 7 is equal to plus or minus 1, or otherwise x minus 7 is equal to positive 1, or x minus 7 is equal to negative 1. Now we can say x minus 7 is equal to positive 1. Then you get x is equal to 1 plus 7, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Or we can say x minus 7 is equal to minus 1. X minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 7, which gives you x to be equal to 6 centimeter. So we can say such a rectangle is possible. Third part of the question, how about a rectangle of diagonal 14 centimeter? We know breadth is equal to x and length is equal to 14 minus x. Now let us consider diagonal to be equal to 14. By using Pythagoras theorem, here again we get x square plus 14 minus x the whole square is equal to 14 square. That is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Let us expand. So you get x square plus 196 minus 2 into 14 into x, 28x plus x square is equal to 196. Now we have 196 on both sides. So let us cancel these two terms. So you get x square plus x square. 2x square minus 28x is equal to 0. Dividing the whole equation by 2, we get x square minus 14x is equal to 0. That is, taking common term x outside, we get x into x minus 14 is equal to 0. Or otherwise, we can say either x is equal to 0 or x minus 14 is equal to 0. From this, we get two values for x, that is either x is 0 or x is equal to 14 centimeter. Such a rectangle cannot be made because we cannot have a rectangle with diagonal is equal to 14 centimeter and one side also to be equal to 14 centimeter. Is it clear, children? This exercise is over, children. We will solve the next exercise problems using a formula. Thank you.